What's going on, traders? I hope you are crushing the markets, or at least not letting the market crush you. Today we're gonna talk about inducement, that sneaky move that takes our stop loss before the real move happens. Let's unpack this beast. Alright, first of all, to really understand inducement and actually use it in your trading, you need to have solid understanding of pullbacks. Don't worry, I've got you covered. I'm going to teach you that right here in this video. So let's get into pullbacks. A valid pullback should consist of a candle that hunts the previous candle's low or high, like this. As you can see, this candle hunts the previous candle high. So, for example, in a bearish trend, that means diagram 1, in a bearish trend, this candle high, this candle must take out the high of the previous candle to qualify as a proper pullback, like this. This candle hunted or take out this candle high. In a bullish trend, it's same. This candle bullish, this is bullish. As you can see, we have bullish trend. So in a bullish trend, this candle low must take out the previous candle low. As you can see, this is a valid pullback. In a bullish trend, this is in bearish trend. So alright, now that I have explained what a pullback is, let's jump into some real chart examples. I've handbagged the cleanest and more powerful charts examples just for you. These aren't random, they're designed to help you master inducement like a pro. So pay close attention, this is where things start to click. So the number 1, first example, where is the valid pullback here? Where is the valid pullback here in this bullish trend? As you can see, this candle low take out by this candle. So this candle is a valid pullback in this leg. Price pushed up here, and I can mark this a valid pullback. Every valid pullback can be inducement. When a valid pullback can be inducement? After any breakup structure, like these, the market will make for us an inducement or valid pullback. So after breakup structure, if the market made for us and valid pullback, I can mark this as an inducement, as a trap. This is not valid. So this is an inducement. As I told you, this is inducement, and we should wait for market to take out this inducement, like here. Here the market pushed down and take out this inducement. So here we can plan for buy. Why? Because the trap hunted. The market hunted the trap. We can plan for buy here. So where is our breakup structure? Our breakup structure is here. This is a breakup structure. Market break this structure. So here, after breakup structure, where is the inducement? This is inducement. Yes, this is inducement. Why this is inducement? Simply, here this candle take out the low of a previous candle, so, and after that take out the high of the previous candle by this move. So this is a valid inducement and pullback for us. Every valid pullback can be inducement. So here inducement, I told you after take out the inducement we can plan for buy. So where we can plan for buy? After this inducement hunt. Where is our breakup structure? Ask yourself. This is our breakup structure. This is our breakup structure. So after breakup structure, where is our inducement? In this leg. This is inducement, but market pushed up, and the inducement is here. Why this is inducement? As I told you, here we have this candle low protected by this candle, but after this candle, this candle take out the previous candle low and then pushed up. So this move made for us an inducement. Where? Here is the inducement. So where we can buy, plan for buy? After taking this we can plan for buy. Where is our breakup structure? Our breakup structure is here. But market didn't break this structure. So this is our last inducement. This is our last inducement. This is not breakup structure. This is not anything. This is nothing. So here we have change of character or market structure shift. After change of character, where is our inducement? Our inducement is here. Why? Because this is a candle high protected by all of these candles, and this candle take out this candle high. So this is inducement. This candle take out this high, this latest high. This is inducement. After taking inducement, we can plan for sell here. Why sell, not buy? Because we have change of character or market structure shift. The structure of the market shifted from bullish to bearish, from buy to sell. So where is our breakup structure? Our breakup structure is here. Our breakup structure is here. So now where is our inducement after this breakup structure? Our inducement is here. Our inducement is here because we have no inducement, just this. So where can be our breakup structure? Our breakup structure can be here. And now we are live on market. Sorry, this is breakup structure. So alright legends, that's it for today's video. If you learned something new, make sure to like, subscribe, and the bell icon so you don't miss what's coming next. Feel free to drop any questions or feedback in the comments. I read every single one. Also, quick note, English is not my first language, so thanks for bearing with my accent. I'm working on it and I appreciate your support. Stay sharp, trade smart, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, legends.